Hello friends, welcome to my creative, popular, unique and innovative educational channel to watch more creative videos on machine learning using Python. Up till now, we have seen plenty of videos, lot of videos on face recognition, face detection. In every video I have used OpenCV, I have used Streamlit for face detection, face recognition, OpenCV, MTCNN, then DeepFace, Sphere library, everything in every program I need to require to detect the face, to recognize the face, to what we call different things we have seen. And in some videos I also done fast face recognition with very fast face recognition, with very fast attendance system. A lot of videos, a lot of entertainment about Python. I always tell students, if you go in Python in depth, then you will recognize the power of Python, and the power of Python lies behind the machine learning. So today I am back with a new idea, a new video, a creative video of face recognition in really different style. So please watch this video up till end, and if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. So first of all, I will go through the initial state of the program. Here in image, my image is there, fine, my image is there in image folder, img folder, okay, and next folder is images folder. In that also my image is there, but the name is written test image. Means both the folder my image is there, fine. So it should say recognize. So what it tells, see the program execution. Now I will execute the program. I will show you the code after program execution. This benchmark hyphen is very important for this program. Now images, my image is the test image and image Sanjay. Now we'll see what happens. Benchmark method is executing the program, and face recognition has been done very fast in really different and creative style. Now you will see, yes, similarity 100%, OpenCV, MTCNN 100%, face recognition 100%, MobileNet 100%, ArcFace 100%, and DeepFace 100%. So that is the power of benchmark, and that is the power of machine learning with face recognition in different style. Now what we will see, one thing we will do, in image folder I will take image of not mine, but I will take image of Shah Rukh Khan. So see what happens in image folder are taken, copy srk1.jpg, okay. Now we will see image, we are seeing in image srk1 image. srk1.jpg, and in image, my image is there, test image. Now what should be the output? The output should not be 100%, yes. So see what happens. Yes, benchmark is working, fine. Yes, now it is studying 87%, 86%, not 100%. Yes, fine. So that is the concept of face recognition. I have done in different style, in different manner. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends. I will be back with more and more creative videos on DeepFace, Sphere library, then MTCNN. I am going through MTCNN only right now, and FastNet, FaceNet. We have seen two to three programs on FaceNet, and if possible Tomorrow I will go with VGG phase 2 library, which is very difficult to do the programs of that library, but still I will be showing tomorrow the program and more creative views on machine learning. So for latest update about machine learning programs, keep watching my channel on youtube.com. Thanks for watching.